Measurement processes are becoming increasingly important as workpieces are getting more complex and require higher precision. However, many customers face challenges when creating measurement programs. These tasks may be time-consuming for operators, such as G-code programming, looking up manuals, or creating dedicated macro programs if the measurement software does not include the corresponding measuring cycle. In response, DMG MORI has developed Measuring Pro as an easy and fast solution for measurement tasks with intuitive guidance screens and a wide range of measurement cycles to enhance productivity of your production. Measuring Pro offers three main features. Programs are created by entering values according to the on-screen guidance. The process is simple and does not require any special knowledge, making it accessible for anyone. The result is significantly less work time compared to traditional programming with complex calculation and verification tasks. Measuring Pro comes with a rich collection of 16 measurement cycles to ensure the perfect match for any measurement operation in your production. This allows smooth measurement of workpieces on 5-axis and mill-turn machines and greatly saves programming time compared to individual macro programming. For example, Measuring Pro includes shaft and angle measurement, as well as plane and rotary axis face measurement. Together with inclination and corner measurement, we provide an extensive package of measurement cycles for various geometries. Also available is the coordinate conversion function for rotary axes, an indispensable tool for 5-axis milling and multitasking machines, which greatly reduces operator work. The compensation feedback function enables immediate on-screen display of measurement results and automatically feeds them back to the MAP's program input screen. Applying offsets after measurement has never been smoother. With the report function, coordinates, diameters, dimensions, and other measured values can be recorded and reviewed separately on a PC. Measuring Pro is available for a diverse lineup of DMG MORI machines, including existing machines with MAPs 5 or 6, and comes with optional touch probes that can be selected as standard. Measuring Pro offers intuitive guidance and a wide range of measurement cycles to improve your work and your productivity.